Hours with that chance for thunderstorms right on into your morning commute. So there could be delays at O'Hare. In fact, as we go into the weekend, there's a chance for showers and thunderstorms next week. Crystal? Kelly, after chasing into the night, the tornado hunt team is back at it today. They're still in eastern Nebraska. This is a look at where they are right now, the Beatrice area. Let's go ahead and check in live with meteorologist Mike Bettis and the team. Mike, we just heard Cantori talking about the capping inversion, if you will, kind of waiting for all the ingredients to come together. We could see a severe watch where you're located. What are you thinking?
YouTube.
Well, I think they're going to struggle today, and I think if we see anything, it may be similar to what we had yesterday, where you'll see a lot of things go maybe around sunset. If that happens, not everything's coming together for storms to happen today, so it's one of those days where it really tests your patience if you're a chaser. I will show you one thing that's been, a bit of a concern. There's hardly been any low-level wind. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's just, I could blow on this storm harder than what we've got a low-level inflow into anything at this point. So the low-level shear, even the upper-level shear, is not all that great. Moisture's been no issue at all. I mean, it has been steamy all week long. Dew points have been in the 60s, so plenty of humidity out here, so that's never been an issue. We're going to get a lot of cumulus that have been blowing up all day long today, but can we get all the other ingredients? Can we get enough instability? Can we get enough lift in the atmosphere to make these things go? I think those things were also relatively limited today, and when you look at least the storm behind me, it showed up as a blip on the radar, then went away right away. You look below the base of the clouds there, no precipitation coming from it at all at this point. So, this is the game you play. How much patience do you have in a particular area? Will we have to cheat maybe just a little bit farther north and maybe a little bit farther west to get into that area where we can see things fire along that boundary? If we do go that way, it's one of those deals where, do we get there in time to get something in daytime, in daylight? That is our hope. You always run out of daylight, and it's a real tough chase when you've got to go at night. We did that last night, and it's dangerous. It's hard to see anything. You've got to have a lot of lightning with those storms. This means you've got to have a lot of moisture, and you've got to have some vertical build to the storms as well. Not all